What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Brittany. I make YouTube videos, lifestyle videos, makeup videos, all that bullshit. But yes, I am back and I have brought to you today a eye look, actually. More of an eye look, just simply focusing on the eyes so I can talk in depth and teach you guys step by step what I do. I love doing these types of videos because I feel like it's better for people to learn. I feel like most of the time we're just doing our makeup now, but I do still want to teach you guys. I'm so excited. This is the palette that we're going to be using today. We're using the Tati Beauty palette. Oh, this palette is gorgeous. So it has beautiful shades, all different textures, and pretty much the same color story, and I really freaking love it. This is the look I created with it today, and it looks bomb, guys. It looks freaking bomb. I do suggest you guys go ahead and pick this up. It is very nice. Pick this palette up if you haven't already. Oh my god, you guys can see me. Look at me. Oh hi, how are ya? Without further ado, before I keep chatting, let's just get on to the video, guys. Alright guys, so I already have my eyebrows on. This video is going to be very chill today. I'm not going to be like, woo, too crazy because it's like midday, about to be the end of the day. So I'm not like super hyped like I am in the morning. Alright guys, so I already have my brows on. Step number 1 done, because that takes forever. And today it's just going to be a really chill video. I'm just going to be doing my eyes. I'm going to be doing a fall glam look. If you're going to a fall party or Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving, anything like that, you can wear this for that. I'm using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. This is her first palette ever, her first beauty item ever in her line, and I'm so excited. It's beautiful. This is how it looks. It's freaking stunning. So she pretty much went ahead and based it off different textures. So there is 6 different color schemes and then 4 different textures, correction. We're gonna go ahead and start from the top. The top row is glitter. So we have all the shades in a glitter texture. And then we have metallic, sequin, and matte. So that is so nice because you can pretty much do a glam look, a soft look, any type of look with this palette. As well, it has pretty much every single basic color you could ever need. So even though this is a $45 palette and you can only get it online, I really do think this is a beginner-friendly palette. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this color scheme right here. Some colors here, some colors over here, but I'm pretty much wearing a color like this for Thanksgiving, so I want to stick with that tone because I'll probably redo this look, for Thanksgiving. Before I begin, I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer base. This is like, honestly, this reminds me of kind of like, what's that base? The P. Louise base. Kind of reminds me of that. So I'm just taking a little bit of this and I'm going to pat it onto my eyelids. Like so. Oh my god. So this is my first time using this on my eyes and it's pretty light. Like it will erase all your veins if you have some, like I do. I'm gonna go in with the JH8 and this is just like a cream brush and I'm gonna blend this out because it's so much faster. So I really like that product. This covered my eyelids very well. It did cover all my veins. I'm very insecure about my veins. Like, I hate them. They're so ugly. So I'm going ahead and taking the second shade, the sequence shade, in the color Soothe. And I'm gonna use this for my crease. I don't know why. It does have a little bit of pickup. I just want to show it to you quickly. I'm dipping it in and it has pickup, but you know what that means? It's pigmented, so I'm not going to be too upset about that. So I tapped the excess off and I'm using the M513. I'm going to go in my crease area and just start patting the shade down. So I forgot how to speak, but I'm adding a little bit of color at a time. So if you need to add more color, go ahead and add more. And then slowly blending. I like this shade because it has a little bit of gold reflex in it. And I like that it's not going to be like flat matte. I want this to be festive. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of a hooded eye. And I take my shade and I always blend it a little bit above that, because when I look straight, if you don't blend it above it, if you blend it exactly on the crease, you won't see the color pop through. I went ahead and laid that other color onto my other eyelid, and I just want to say this very quickly. This is the first eyeshadow that has glitter mixed in it that actually shows up. Like the glitter shows up. Like I'm looking up close. I don't know if you guys can see, but the glitter is shining on my freaking eye. It's literally there. I love it. It's so nice. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. $1 eyeshadow brush because, you know, I want to keep it cheap for you guys. And I'm gonna take the first shade in the Poet Row right here, and I'm gonna pat that onto my eye. So with the matte shadows, there's not a lot of pickup. I'm just dipping it in, and the brush is picking up all the colors, so you know that could be very exciting. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, I was not expecting that pigment, guys. So I'm just using this as a base for the color above it. I just want this to be set down to my lid first, just so that it's as pigmented as possible. And then I will play with the other color and plop it right on top. And use this brush to blend like out the edges a little bit, because it is fluffy, so you can go ahead and use that. See how it's like working? You know, you don't have to reach for too many brushes. Perfect. And I'm gonna spread it all out with the other colors, so don't worry about this, guys. Guys, this color went on like fully opaque, and that says a lot. Like, colors like this usually have like pickup, or you can see through it a little bit because the shadow is just moving around. Yeah, I love this. I love this a lot. Guys, I look a little freaking weird because I didn't even spread this color out. I look like my eyes are like really small. But we're gonna go ahead and use the second shade in the Poet line. I want to call it the Poet line. But yes, it's the second shade. It's the same, I feel like it's the same undertone color of the first one. It just has purple and blue and like pink reflexes in it. So, you know, I need to put that on my eyeball. You know, I need to put that on my eyeball. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that shade on the JS6. I don't want to put the shade down and that it looks too harsh. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this fluffier brush and start to blend it. So I went ahead and I switched over to the JS12. It's a smaller, more condensed brush, so you can have a more precise blend. And I am blending out that shade at the corners so there's no harsh lines. The next shade I'm going to go into is the same one that I was using originally, and it's a Soothe, but it's the second shade. I'm going to take the 513 and 513, dip it in there really lightly, and then go back in and just blend the edges, because I don't want this to be harsh at all. For a brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with Aura, and I'm using the first shade, which is like a bone shade. I'm taking the Morphe M507, and this one is a little fluffy pointed brush, which is perfect because it fits right into this like little corner. And I just take this and blend it right here. And that is going to also blend out any harsh lines you have right here, guys. So these two shades themselves have so much glitter that you don't have to add any more because it looks festive enough. But since I am just so extra, I'm gonna go ahead and take, you guessed it, this beautiful glitter right here. And I'm gonna pat this with my finger on my eyeball. I'm taking a tinsy bit of it on my pinky finger, and I'm going to boop right into the middle of the lid and just keep on spreading it and spread it some more. Or 0 to 100 real quick. Let's just say that. And then go in really quickly and just dust any of the extra off. Before I finish off the eyes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera really quickly, finish my entire face, and then we can come back and finish off the eyes. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this eye look. I didn't complete my full face, but I finished some of it. Lincoln is down there chewing on a bone, so if you hear that, please ignore it. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. Oh, and before I move on, I have the House of Lashes Iconic Lite lashes on currently. Those are the lashes that I put on, and I will write down below in the description bar everything that I have on my face. Moving on. So I'm gonna take this matte shade of the purple shade that I have on my lid, and I'm gonna use that because I don't wanna, you know, like put too much glitter and just mess up my face makeup, so I'm gonna use the matte version of it. I'm taking that shade on the M431, and I'm gonna use that to spread it onto my lower lash line. I'm taking a little bit of that matte shade, and then just spreading it out like butter. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this one. It's the JS13. This one is from Morphe, and it's the Jeffree Star collection, guys. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And I'm gonna go in with Soothe, but I'm taking the full matte version, and ooh, I dipped my finger into that color. Okay, now I'm gonna like use this to blow it out. Alright guys, so I'm freaking feeling myself. I feel like I look so cute. I love my hair. I just put some little butterfly clips in and, you know, pinned it up and shit, and it looks bomb. But moving on really quickly, I'm just gonna finish off the eyes so we can finish off this video. And I'm gonna take Aura's second shade. This one is in the sequined texture. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my inner corners to finish off my eyes. To do this, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe M213, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade and then plop it onto the inner corners of my eyes, and it just lightens the eyes and brings light right there, and it just completes the look. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am in love with this look, and I cannot wait to wear this when I go to my Thanksgiving dinner this year. I love this freaking look. I feel like I pretty much use basic colors in the palette. If you wanted to sub all these colors for matte shades so that you can do a wearable look that's more affordable, I definitely think you can. There is a lot of drugstore palettes in Ulta and Walmart and other places that in Target. They do have good brands there too, that I feel like you can use to achieve this look. And I did try to keep my face pretty much affordable, so I will link all those products down in the description box below. Other than that, guys, there's nothing else more that I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed in the beginning of the video, before the video ends, please subscribe. I will be putting out more content, so subscribe to the channel because, you know, it means a lot to me and it helps me out so that I can keep putting, you know, more content for you if I know that you're liking what I'm putting out, you know. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on because YouTube does not notify people when they upload. So if you want to see my content, go ahead and turn those post notifications on. Ring that bell, people. Ring that bell. And last but not least, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me a lot, guys. It helps a lot. So give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one.